Hello there, welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change object color in Canva. It's very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So in order to change the object color, I obviously have to look for the object. So let's go to uploads and let's choose some of them. Okay, this one will do. Okay, suppose this is the object. I'm gonna change color of this black ball. So in order to do that, you can simply go tap into the object itself and go to this edit option that is at the top section. Let's tap in there, and here comes pop up another slide. You can simply go to this effects option and go in this duo tone. Let's tap into the duo tone. Let's tap in custom, and here you can simply go to the custom option and choose the highlights, like what color you'd like it to be. Let's say I want it more of like red. Okay. And about the shadows, let's choose red as well. Okay. So this square is disturbing us, but yeah, you know how to change it. That's the same process. Let's change the background into more like black. So can you see the color has been changed? So this is exactly how you change the color. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.